Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix controller not working in Steam Remote Play using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken button links on your current setup session so your controller commands travel safely across your shared screens. Step 1. Open your master settings panel on your main computer. The first step is to open the main configuration menu inside your game application window on the main computer where your games are actually installed. Move your mouse pointer up to the top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the word Steam, look down the menu list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for a large options panel filled with different preference rows to pop open right in the middle of your monitor view. Because you cannot fix a broken connection link if you skip the main configuration room. You have to open this central menu so you can look at your active system setup rules. Without this step, your application will keep ignoring your handheld device because it doesn't know it needs to look for it. Step 2. Turn on the remote control sharing switch. Next, you need to navigate to the Sharing Options row and make sure the software is allowed to receive button signals from outside devices. Look at the left side list inside the open window, click on the row that says Remote Play, move your mouse over to the middle checkbox options, and ensure the main switch is toggled to on. Verify that the options switch light lights up with a bright color, confirming that your sharing system is fully wide awake and active. Because if this sharing rule is turned off in the background files, the software engine will block any controller signals coming from your second screen. Turning this option to on creates an open path on your screen canvas rows. It tells the computer memory card that it is perfectly safe to let outside controllers talk to your active games. Step 3. Enable the correct controller configuration rules. Now, you need to jump down to the dedicated device settings row to make sure the software loads the right layout maps for your specific type of controller. Move your mouse cursor back to the left side list, click on the row labeled Controller, click the button that says Advanced Settings, and click on the boxes that match your device name, like Xbox or PlayStation support. Watch the little toggle on your screen turned on matching your physical controller buttons to the system engine rules perfectly. Because if these matching check marks are empty, the computer has no idea how to read your button presses. It might see your controller as a generic plug with no layout maps attached. By selecting your specific device type, you drop the confusing guesswork and give the software a straight, clean guide to translating your inputs. It is the key step to getting the right output because it wakes up your joysticks instantly. And that's it. To fix controller not working in Steam Remote Play, you must first click on Steam and open your settings panel at the top of your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the Remote Play row and turn on the main switch on your screen canvas rows. Next, you go into the controller settings and check the boxes that match your device name to load the right layout maps. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.